Okay, good.
I love that. It's not even sharp or anything.
I know, that's why I like this
It's
one.
like a factory cut hole.
Yeah. That's not as bad. That other one's straight.
I don't know why you're having such bad luck with it. Like, they usually just pop out.
I know. Because I'm you doing it, that's why. You make me look like a fool.
Why, the hole puncher sized you up?
Is that too small?
Yes.
Yeah, pretty much.
Probably all this stuff.
No.
I bet that's what it is. It's that shit that's getting caught in it.
Yeah. Then it just wedges in.
This bit's done.
Oh yeah.
That's why it's doing that.
You don't last long.
How long have you had that one for $60?
Is that the one I gave you at props?
Did drill a
You
lot.
got your money's worth out of it. It's
Yeah,
done.
I drilled a lot of holes.
That one's gonna get stuck because the hole's tight too.
But it's
At least the last one. Then nobody has to wait for me.
We'll just leave it in the tool.
For the next person.
And then watch, it's me that uses it next.
Think about the next guy.
Right. Good.
Something's wrong. Is your valve closed?
Yeah.
Okay, release it.
Oh no, now I got pressure.
Oh yeah.
It was slightly released.
Okay, you're good.
I'll fuck with this now.
Okay. Put the screws.
Don't you have to get the wire into the box?
What are you on about?
You need to knock a hole to get the cable into the box.
You talking tech cable?
Yeah.
Oh, it goes from the top.